up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be replacing an airbag sleeve on a truhart bag on this 2017 Honda Accord. So it seems that the bag is torn for some reason. So this bag is like, I don't know what happened to it. It looked like the outer layer of it's torn. So it's a 2017 Honda Accord Sport. I'm gonna replace this bag from this shock. I got the replacement part already. This is the replacement part. It comes with the fitting already. It looks like it has some threads in there. So I'm gonna be attempting to do that right now while doing it, and see how that goes. So the first thing we're gonna do is inside the back seat, there's 2 screws right there. They're 14 millimeters. And then we're gonna go down here and remove the 17 from the shock, and then the shock should come right out. We'll see how that goes. So here, I removed this link right here. There's a link right here, this one. And well, it's a 14, so it's gonna come off with this whole thing right here. So once you remove this, you should be able to, this is a bracket, right? And you should be able to take it off easily. Here we got the damaged bag. It looks like it's just the outer sleeve of it. The bag still looks good, but I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna take off this screw right here, and then you have to twist the bag off to install the other one. So what I'm gonna do is just get the measurements here so I can put it exactly the way that it is, and I should go from there. Off the screw on the top right there with a 17, and then I loosen this right here to the left. Now, so now I'm gonna take off this bag. It's twisted on there, so we're just gonna twist it off. Just like that. So you got the new bag, and then right here in the box it comes with like a little seal, and I think this seal is gonna go right here on the tip of this. You ready now? The shock didn't work no more. It just goes in. It doesn't come up. So before I installed it, I made sure that it didn't have any leaks. So what I did is I just connected to the airline, and then I put the way that everything goes back in. Make sure you put the seal through the bottom of the new seal, and it seems like there's no leaks. Everything seems good. There's no air leaks. I sprayed it with some water. See if it's any leaks through here, in between here. This bag gets sealed with a shaft. So there you go. Replacement of the truhart airbag for a 2013, I think, 2017 Accord, Honda Accord rear sleeve bag.